Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do part 3 of this horse race simulation. So, alright, here we go. So, if you have not seen sorting lists of lists by the last item, go and watch the videos before this, because I don't want to go too far into this. So we're just going to jump right in and finish this out. So again, if you have not watched Sorting List of Lists, it's the series before this. Go and watch that, and then come back and watch this. So x return x minus 1. Then we need to tab. We're gonna redo this in place. Sorted tab and key last, and then we need to reverse it. True. And let's check and make sure. Let's run this for I in tab print I. So lo and behold, here we go. So, and to remind you what the premise is that out of these, well, okay, so this is supposed to be the fastest horse, which every single time, and I have this printed and nice formatted, and I'm going to do that so you can see it each time. So, okay, this is supposed to be the fastest horse, or 25 all the time. So we can remove this. So we have 1 2 1 2 1. So if we do that diagonal and that diagonal, so that's our 5. So that's how we can sort this last time. So now we need to come and slice this out. So this is what is odd. So let's do that. Actually, let me show you how to do this in a nice little print format. Let's do this right here. In tab for J and I, then print. This is your print format, so if you don't get this or don't understand this, go and look at search print format video, and it'll go into place, because this is a space holder format, and then format J with in spacing, oops, and a space in between. So let's look and see how this goes. Oops, I forgot a return. There we go. So alright, there's our nice little print. Go through, print 2 spaces, print a space in between, lo and behold. So alright, 25, so right here, and we can just run this over and over and over again. And here it is, resorted, 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 and as you can see, 25 always ends up in the top. And this is what I wanted to prove, was that does 25 always end up in the top, and does 23, 24 end up in this diagonal? So now we need to slice. Now we need to slice this, right? So now let's slice our list of lists, or our array. So it's going to be these two right here, these two, and this one. So we need to come through, and we need to then create slice tab, and this is going to be list 0, list 1, list 2, and that's as far as we need to go, right? 0, 1, 2. That's our list. So 0, 0, close out, open, then 2 through 4, because we don't want 25, because it's, so 0, 1, 2. We want 2 and 3. This is exclusive. Then add this together, tab 1, and this is then 3 to the end, 3 to the end, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, so 3 to the end, plus tab our second list right here, so 2, index 2, so 0, 1, 2, and just the last item. So close this out, then 4, there we go, and then print X. So lo and behold, they should always contain print X. Alright, let's sort this over here, and then print X. There we go. So this should always end up 23 and 24 to test this theory. And you can just run this over and over and over again, and as you can find out that this does, in fact, this technique, no matter how many times you run this will always be 23 and 24, excluding this top one, because this is always going to be 25. So this does work. This is an interesting technique, and this is how, and what the answer is in in 7 races, you can find the top 3 fastest horses without having to use a stopwatch. So there you go. This is just one of the cool things you can do with programming, and this is why I love it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any video requests below, and I will get right to them. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.